Hi Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your general tarot reading for the month of August 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if this message resonates with you, Aries, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. And if this reading does not resonate with you, Aries, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. Since this is a collective general reading, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you here, Aries. Also, Aries, this general reading will not be include of love. For love reading, you may actually check the link in the description box below, because I've done the separate love reading for the month of August for you here, Aries. Okay, so let's start the reading with the energy for the month of August. I've got milestone and then I've got joyous fun energy coming up here. The month of August is definitely going to be a very significant month here for you, Aries, especially with this milestone energy. I feel like some of you here have already set a certain goals and a certain milestone that you want to achieve in the year of 2021, and I feel some of you here, Aries, have already achieved that, and the rest, and you're going to be achieving most of your goals and most of your milestone here in the month of August 2021. Like starting up from this month of August 2021 until the end of the year here, Aries, you're going to see a lot of progress. You're going to see a lot of transformation in any area of your life here. Some of you here could be getting a new job, a job promotion, getting out the house that you've been wanting to get here, finally settling on any debt or any loan that you've paid out before. So this is the time that you're finally going to be accomplishing many goals and many milestone in your area, in any of your life here, Aries. And then I've also got the joyous fun energy coming up here. So like I said, the month of August here, I think this is the time that you're finally going to be relieved. Like everything is just like starting to fall into places for you here, Aries. And the overall energy that I've got coming up for you here is true love and the courage energy coming up. This is a reminder, or more like an advice for you here, Aries, that this is the time that for you here to just have the courage and step forward, to just do and to just get whatever you've been wanting to get here. Some of you here, Aries, have a lot of goals, have a lot of manifestation that you want to do here. Specifically here, I'm getting a very strong energy of wanting to do something that you love, like a business, like doing your hobby, like just going at it and just get it, is what I'm getting coming up for you here. And because one thing that I've got coming up from this particular courage energy here is that a very strong fear energy coming in here as well. The only thing that have been stopping you here for just go at things that you love, to just achieve the things that you love here, Aries, is your own fear. The fear of failure, the fear of uncertainties, any type of fear that you have within yourself here. It's time for you here to let go of all of those fear and understand that all of those fears are just an illusion for you here, Aries, and just go and have the courage to just go and do whatever you want to love here. Like this is a huge sign, and this is a huge confirmation for you here, Aries. So let's look at into your tarot reading here. I've got the Hangman and I've got the Six of Swords energy coming up here, with the overall energy, the Empress energy coming up here. So I'm going to look at the Empress a little bit later. Let's start with this Hangman energy that I've got coming up for you here, Aries. Some of you here have been going through a period of a lot of confusion, a lot of anxiety and uncertainties in your life here. So with this Hangman energy here, Aries, I'm getting that as if like you feel here within yourself here as if your entire world has turned upside down. Like everything that you do, everything that you try to do, or every decision that you're trying to make here seems to put you in that particular stuck energy, seems to be putting you in that particular stagnant energy here. So with this Six of Swords energy that I've got coming up for you here, this is basically an indication for you here, whatever stagnancy or whatever stuck energy that have been within yourself here from the beginning of the year 2021 until this particular month of August here, Aries, this is the time that you're finally going to be moving forward into a much more stable situation, into a much more calmer, into a much calmer and much more stable situation is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Aries. And again, this is also another confirmation about the energy that I've got for you here in the beginning of the reading. Whatever decision and whatever opportunities that are coming up into your way here, Aries, it's time for you here to just go and just go and grab it, is what I'm getting. Do not let your fear, do not let your anxiety, do not let all of this fear of failure, fear of uncertainties is what's stopping you here, Aries. And I'm also getting a very strong energy with this Empress energy here. This is going to be for a specific group of people here, Aries. For those of you who are planning to get pregnant, or who are planning to to see if you could actually finally have a kids here, this pregnancy energy is coming up quite strongly for you here, Aries, because I'm also sensing a very strong pregnancy energy coming up for you. And for the rest of you here, Aries, the Empress energy here is basically talking about a promotion. Not only a promotion in terms of your career, but a promotion in terms of life here, where you're finally going to be reaching out to that level that have been that you've been waiting for, I would say here. So does not matter your gender here, male or female, you're finally going to get into that position. And for specifically here for female Aries, I'm getting a very strong pregnancy energy coming up here. For those of you who are not ready to get pregnant, please be careful of this, because this is a very strong pregnancy energy, as well as a very strong abundance energy coming up for you here as well, Aries. Now let's look at into the next energy that I've got coming up for you here. I've got the Six of Cups, and I've got the Devil energy coming up here. Another thing that I'm getting coming up for you here, Aries, that someone from your past is going to make an entrance into your life here. Now with this someone from the past here, with this energy that I've got coming up here, the Devil energy, I feel like this is the person that you might not have any good relationship with, or you might not have any, basically both of you are not really in a good term, because the energy that I've got coming up here, Aries, is that a little bit of deceptions and manipulation type of energy here, as well as a very strong controlling energy coming up here. This could be a family members, like your father, mother, sister, siblings. This could also be someone that if you known from your childhood, like your childhood friend, someone that if you known since your school life here. But the main energy that I'm getting coming up here is that a little bit of toxic energy and a little bit of negative energy is what I'm getting coming up for you here, Aries. So this is also another thing that you need to pay attention to here. Do not just let anyone who come to your life here take advantage of you. This is also why you need to set up a necessary boundaries within yourself and with the people surround you here, Aries, especially those new people that are coming into your life, or even like an old person trying to come back into your life here is another thing that I've got. Now overall energy that I've got here is the Seven of Pentacles here, Aries. This is basically talking about patient energy coming up here quite strongly. Even though when it comes into your finances here, I'm not really getting any significant things moving forward into the month of August. I feel like I said, for most of you here, Aries, with this milestone energy coming up, this is finally you're going to reach that position that you desire, finally getting the job promotion, finally getting the new job here. But to the improvement of your financial speaking here, the financial stability and the financial independence here, I'm getting a very strong late fall energy coming up for you. So you're going to see some progress, you're going to see some changes coming up here from the month of August until late fall, but you're going to see that stability energy, and you're going to see like that money energy coming up towards you here, mostly during the time of late fall. So patient, and being patient and maintaining the stability, emotional stability within yourself is also really important here, Aries. That's it for your reading. I hope it resonates with you. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye bye.